Metal Building Sales, powered by Butler Manufacturing, can provide you with the quality building you deserve. Today, as the world's #1 building manufacturer with over 1 million buildings in service since 1901, Metal Building Sales designs and engineers pre-engineered steel solutions. Faster, better, stronger, expandable to grow with your green certified steel made in America with 6 U.S. plants to serve you. Our patented building system has over 50 advantages, providing the best roof in the industry with a 75-year life expectancy. Clear-span construction up to 350 feet wide. Take advantage of our experience, proven track record, and nationwide builder network. Let us design the building you deserve for every aspect of your business with phased expansions, allowing you to grow with your business. No job is too big or too small. We offer garages to warehouses for all industries, including certified erection services. Turnkey general contracting, dirt to doorknobs, more than you can imagine. Shop our classic building sale and save up to 30% today. Let's get started creating the quality building you deserve.